Good afternoon, everyone. In this presentation, we are going to see the overview of our recent projects. So, this is the overview of my recent task that I completed in the recent days. I developed a dashboard for monitoring automated tasks and system status, implement user notification for task completion and errors, creating UI components for scheduling and managing posts in WordPress, and developing a user-friendly interface for configuring AI tools. Objective of our work is to build efficient tools for monitoring automated tasks, enhancing user notification, simplifying WordPress post management, and creating a user-friendly AI configuration interface. These are the assigned tasks for our projects. First task is to develop a dashboard for monitoring automated tasks and system status. Status is completed and the details is we u- we created a dashboard for a user. We designed this process creating wireframes that outline the layout, focusing on the ease of use and clarity. The dashboard includes dedicated sections for task status, system health, alerts, and logs. Our task 2 is to implement user notification for task completion and errors. Status is completed. The backend logic for triggering notification has been successfully implemented. This includes settings of triggers at key points in the task execution process to send notification. WebSocket integration has been completed, enabling real-time delivery of notification. Our task 3 is to create UI components for scheduling and managing posts in WordPress. The status is completed. Details is to develop a visually appealing form within the WordPress admin panel for scheduling posts. The form includes fields like title, content, date and time, categories, and tags. We design a dashboard layout where user can view and manage schedule and publish posts. Our task 4 is to develop a user-friendly interface for configuring AI tools. The status is completed. We created a setting page within the WordPress admin panel, implemented input fields for API keys and AI module selection. We added tooltips and descriptive text to guide users through the configuration process. We designed an expandable section for advanced settings to cater to both novice and advanced users. Our progress is we accomplish in this task, we successfully launched a real-time monitoring dashboard, improving task visibility by 30%, implemented user notification that reduce error response by 50%, developed WordPress UI components, enhancing post management efficiency by 25%, designed a user-friendly AI configuration interface that boosted tool adaptation by 20%. The following the metrics are to is 30% increase in task visibility, 50% faster error response time, 25% improvement in post management efficiency, 20% higher AI tool adoption rate. Challenges and solutions that we have faced in this task is to ensuring timely and accurate user notification without overwhelming users. Designing initiative UI components that work seamlessly within the WordPress ecosystem. Creating a flexible AI configuration interface that balances simplicity with advanced options. Solution implemented in this task is to we introduced smart notification filter to prioritize critical alerts and minimize noise. Leverage responsive design script principle to create user-friendly, adaptable UI components. Build a modular interface that offers both basic and advanced AI configuration options. Next step in the upcoming task is to integrate backend code with our WordPress functionality and testing. We will start our testing phase, conduct root testing, identify bugs, fix issues, and improve the performance. Our goals is in this task is to achieve smooth integration with WordPress, install all features are functioning correctly through rigorous testing, enhance system stability and user experience based on test results. Conclusion of our presentation is to we develop key tools to enhance system automation and user experience. We created a dashboard, improve real-time task and system monitoring, notification stream alerts for task completion and errors, WordPress UI, simplified post scheduling and management, AI configuration, created an initiative interface for AI to set up. We acknowledge and thank you for your time and attention. We are excited to move forward with our project. Thank you.